I'm trying to make this quilt block. So I might have to start it completely over. This is what the quilt block is going to look like when it's done. So this is going to stitch the guide for putting the batting in. This is ready to go. So I didn't leave enough room. Instead of trying to rip this out, I'm just gonna cut it. So now I've got to re-sew this piece. I did it again. Okay, this is not going well for me. What I'm gonna do is regroup. So I'm cutting away the blue that I didn't cut earlier. Making mistakes is part of creating. I have to fix my mistake.